Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. So, anyways, we're on the 4 hour time frame because in my most recent video, I was saying how this possibly could stretch out into a much bigger move up. But I had my Fibonacci retracement here, and I also said that this could be an A, this could be a B, and this could be a wave C. So, if it respects these Fib levels, makes it a golfing move to the downside, then it is likely the end of a correction. What happens at the end of a correction is it usually takes out the low when the wave A started. So I am definitely still very bearish. I think this move up we're seeing on the 1 hour time frame is very, very likely just a pullback within the downtrend. So more than likely, we're getting some higher lows. So more than likely, this wave is over. More than likely, we probably are in like a wave two right now. Potentially this is a one, this is a two. So I would expect a minimum of 23% pullback, but probably more likely a wave two is going to make, like a 38, maybe a 50% pullback. If we get like a 38, 50% pullback, if it makes like some sort of a one, two, three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level and then a nice engulfing move to the downside, that is exactly the entry that I am personally looking for next for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrends. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.